Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you this virtualization tool called GNOME boxes. So what I would do on my terminal is Pacman search for what we call GNOME boxes. So here I have this and I have already installed it. So next process would be to open it. So if you just do boxes, or you can do GNOME box, hit enter, so that should show you the GNOME box. Now after the installation it shows me like this. In order to create this virtual machine, so let's do create, right? And let's wait for it to just open it. And if we go over here on the dash, right, so here you can take a screenshot, we can force to shut down, and we have the restart as well as the preference. So here you can change the memory as well as the core of the CPU. So here we have the background, and we have the devices. We can create the snapshot over here, and that's it. I don't remember the password, right? So if I just do force to shut down, right? So here we have this. So what I find over here is, so there is no network setting. So if I were to right click it and open new window, clone, delete, and preference, so we don't have the option to configure the network. So that would mean I am not able to do pen testing, right? So I can't do over here. For the desktop uses, I think this GNOME boxes is good. So those who are distro hopping, right? So this is good for them, because if we come at the plus, right, so here you have the download OS, right, and we have Red Hat, Fedora, right, open source, the Manjaro, Center OS. So we have a lot of the ISO. So if we go down, right, so Rocky Linux, so instead of installing in VirtualBox, right, so if I just open my VirtualBox, so it's right over here. So here we have the, so I can customize a lot. If we go on the network manager, we can create, so we can do a new, right, so we can add like this on the VirtualBox. So so those who are new on this VirtualBox, they can use this for, if you want to customize more. I think VirtualBox is good overall. So I think Linux has this GNOME, right, this box, which is good. It need a more customization option, then it would be great. So thank you guys.